Everybody, it's like Christmas morning here. Allie, take a look outside. Oh, excuse me, Wade. Look what we got. A truck. Dick's excited. Ooh. Let's find out what we got. Let's find out together.
Pinata.
That looks like a trike.
I believe that's got 3 wheels there.
I wonder what kind of trike.
Ooh. Oh, I got a little sneak peek at the bottom there. I'll bet you anything it's a CVO trike. Let Cody surprise you though. Should we do it, Wade? What? Should we show the good people at home?
What is it?
It's a trike.
What kind of trike? Oh shit, is that a CVO trike?
That's a CVO trike.
Wow, when did you guys know about this? That is truly a kick-ass rig. Look at that.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
What's this thing called? What's the color on it?
Black Stardust Fade
Black Stardust Fade.
with red.
Look at you. Pay attention behind you.
Hey, what?
Are you gonna go mess stuff up?
All right now.
You know, there's a lot of things we can do to stay focused.
That's not one
But you
of them.
can't have a Kiddo.
You cannot have a dude. Like,
I say that scooter's a little fast.
You know that this will be like probably the 7th time that we've had police show up and say you can't ride that fast on public streets. What are you talking about? We're a Harley dealership. That's an import. We don't carry those.
you're gonna see him come back. He's gonna be on one wheel.
And I'll tell you what, that dude can ride. Like,
Yeah.
I've seen him do some pretty crazy shit on bikes at 100 mile an hour.
Oh, here he comes.
I hope he knows there's gravel. Well, if he does, he'll go real. Hey, Tony, is that the one you want?
I always like to, hey man, wait till you can't wheelie that bike.
Oh yeah? Watch this. Turns out.
I see it.
This is supposedly the Eagle Eye. It is.
Oh.
I see it. Oh, God. Here, show you pockets ache.
Oh.
Man, outside that is sexy.
Show them the...
Instantly.
Wade did run into a fork there.
Yeah.
I see
Ooh.
Wade's new bike.
Pretty cool bikes today. Wow. They'll be hitting the floor soon.
Wow.
Come down, check them out, give us a call. See ya.